What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct, and today I have to tell you something that's pretty interesting. Not surprising, but very interesting. Newsworthy information here, folks. eWheels, the company that makes the EW36, the EW46, the EW72, and all the other fancy red, blue, and green scooters that are fast and pretty, well, guess what? They went out of business. And if you haven't seen our comparison videos where we compare the eWheels scooters to the Pride Mobility scooters, you should definitely check it out. They are night and day in terms of quality. And we used to sell eWheels products many years ago. And we realized that they were simply importing junk from China. They weren't providing the warranty support that our clients deserved. They weren't supplying parts on time. Most of the time, they just weren't providing parts, period. And they even decided to just start competing with their dealers. So they started selling directly to the consumer, which they weren't doing for years. Most manufacturing companies don't. They rely on dealers to sell their products. And then they just said, oh, we're going to go behind our dealers' backs and start selling these scooters. So all of that basically led to us dropping them as a manufacturing partner. We stopped selling their products. Here's the letter. It says, important eWheels news. Dear eWheels dealers, it is with heavy hearts that we announce the closure of eWheels. This decision was not made lightly, but it is the result of uncontrollable and unforeseen changes in the industry that have made it increasingly difficult to continue operations. One other thing, guys, before I get too far in this video, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, it's going to have our latest products, discount codes, and more. You can learn a lot about our company. Give us a call or visit the link at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You could also go to our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. Fill out the free catalog request form by clicking on the green button at the top of the page, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to tell you that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're not only going to get updated when we release new videos, but you're also going to get put into our drawing for a free mobility scooter. We give away mobility scooters to people all the time. Random subscribers that just subscribe and comment on our video. So what are you waiting for? You're already here. It's free. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and that's it. You could be the next lucky winner of a mobility scooter like the last few winners you're seeing on the screen now. The following challenges have significantly impacted our ability to sustain the business. The shift in market with factories selling directly to consumers via platforms like Temu, Amazon, and others. Rising costs of inventory and high interest rates that have placed additional strain on operations. A noticeable decline in consumer spending within the mobility scooter industry, and as a result, we are closed effective immediately. Thank you for being a part of the eWheels journey. We deeply appreciate your loyalty and support over these years. Best eWheels team. Here's the thing, folks. I don't buy any of that. Okay, I don't buy any of it at all. All the manufacturing companies have gone through the same thing. And manufacturing companies like Baja Mobility, Pride Mobility, Golden Technologies, Aficam have continued to thrive, excel, create new products, improve product designs based off of consumer and dealer feedback. Like the Raptor 2 by Baja Mobility, okay? There was a Raptor 1. It needed some adjustments. They made the adjustments. They made the scooter better. And they survived all of the things that eWheels is saying they couldn't deal with, so they had to shut down. Okay, now, Pride Mobility is one of the manufacturing companies that's the most well-known globally. They have been around for over 50 years. They provide unmatched customer support when it comes to warranty claims. They provide parts quickly when you need them. They stock them even after the product is discontinued. They actually have user manuals and troubleshooting guides that are in English, not in Mandarin or Taiwanese. Okay, simply put, guys, these products are superior in every which way. The EW36 was almost identical when it comes to the looks to the Baja Raptor 2. The difference is this is a lot safer. It has automatic brakes that actually work. It has a real LED lighting kit that's super bright. It has a super comfortable seat that actually has adjustment features that are worth using, like the recline lever, comes with a seat belt, seat does slide forward and backwards. It has really, really good tires, really great suspension on the front and the rear. It's available in several different colors. And you really ought to check out the video where we compare this model to the eWheels model. Okay, we literally took it apart, showed you all the components, the motors, the parts, the actual labels that go on the parts. I mean, everything about it is superior. With the eWheels scooter, if you look under the hood, literally all the wires look like a bowl of spaghetti. There's no labels. And they even just jumbled up all the wires and stuck them in a Ziploc bag. It was embarrassing. With this Baja Raptor, the wiring job is meticulous, okay? And for those of you that know anything about electronics, it's all about the wiring, guys. Electricians too. You know, if you look at your breaker box and you see a really good wire job in your breaker panel box, you know that that was a good electrician. Okay, same thing with these scooters. They're electronic and the wiring is phenomenal. But enough about the wiring. In general, guys, if you want a fast scooter that's sexy, check out the Baja Mobility Raptor 2, available in 3-wheel and 4-wheel. You can't go wrong, and we're offering unbeatable deals for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and through the holiday season. So if you want to learn more about one of these, maybe you have an eWheel scooter that's just dead and now you can't get parts for it, we want to help you. So give us a call if you're interested in one of these products or any products. We only sell products made by reputable name brand companies that are going to give you the warranty support you deserve. Our non-commissioned sales experts would love to take your call. Give us a call with the number at the bottom of the screen. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks so much for watching. Happy holidays.